Shaq-a-licious XL Gummies. They are Shaq-shaped candies, I guess. Hey, Ernie. Hey, Ernie. What's up with them women down there in San Antonio, Chuck? What's up with them women? They're shaped like they kind of look like Shaq. Just like his nose don't look like that, though. Okay, so this is a peach one, which I'm not a fan of peach, but, you know, let's rip Shaq's head off. Sorry, Shaq. You got a good gooiness. Not really a strong taste of peach. And then there's the berry punch. What's up, Kenny? Big Shaq here. Come on, Kenny. They got a good gooiness, but there's not a lot of flavor to these. Shaq, come on, man. What are you doing? All right. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait. Oh, and they got orange. Okay. Wait. No. Wait, which one's this one? Okay, maybe this is the peach one. First one I had was orange. It looks peach, though. These don't look orange. Am I tripping? This is supposed to be the peach one. And this is supposed to be... No, this is supposed to be the peach. This is supposed to be the orange. Not a lot of flavor in these. Come on, Big Shaq. Shaq, man. What's up with these flavors, bro? Shaq. These get a couple points just because it's Shaq. And they're shaped like Shaq, which I find is hilarious. But, man, these... Shaq, big dog. I'm gonna have to give you a... I'm gonna give these a... I'm gonna be nice and give you a 6. Because these don't got much flavor, man. These ain't Trolleys, I'll tell you that.